So, daily ponders. Today I was thinking about the seasons and how we have a ritual, 8 times a year, 4 times for sort of the season change and then the middle mark of each of those. And how does that affect me, which I've looked at, but then how does it affect my business? So this made me think about how I do things. And I was just having a conversation in our Soul Creative coaching call. And we were talking about this being a time of rest, and everybody's really feeling it, that they need that time to rest. And it's like, but we feel like we need to go, go, go. Like we're gearing up for Black Friday, we're gearing up for Christmas, we're gearing up for all of these things. And it's like, so if this is our time of rest and we're gearing up for that busy time, we're not in alignment with the seasons, with the energy for the business, which then means that I'm not in alignment for my own self. And part of that is we get so caught up in this masculine energy of the world and this 24/7 and this 24-hour cycle, and we do the same thing every day. But if I want to be more in alignment with my feminine energy and the energy of the world, of the earth, then I need to run my business that way. So lots more pondering to do about this, but I feel like this is the beginning of a shift in the way I do things. And I've been looking for it, and I think I may have found it. I just have to figure out how it's going to work, because it's going to be different than the norm. It's going to be different than what is expected. And so I have to feel into that to figure out how that will work for me and for everyone else, because I don't want to only help people part of the year. So how can I make the ebbs and flows of the year and the energy, the feminine energy of the 28 days and the earth energy of the year work for me and my business? So stay tuned. I feel like there's more coming on this.